Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana's Food World. You are welcome. Today, as usual, we are doing a simple recipe. You know, I love simple recipes. This is called Fante Fante in Ghanaian language. Okay, so it's a very lovely tomato sauce that you do, and you can use it to eat anything that you prefer. Okay, so I have some onions here, and I have some ginger, and I have some garlic. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to blend these, and some pepper, of course, because we are using fresh fish. Okay, if you use fresh fish, because it's a fresh fish sauce, but I add other stuff to it to make it much more nicer. So I'm adding, like, because I like it spicy, so that's why we have like lots of pepper. So what I'm doing, I'm going to put this in the blender. Okay, and then I blend all of these. I've already cut the onions. Okay, you can get a large onion and just divide them. I'm going to use some for the tomato sauce, so I just want to cut that. But you can prefer not to make it spicy if you don't want it spicy. Okay, but I love it spicy because of the fresh fish. So I'm going to blend that. I'm going to add, okay, some grains of selim, this black pepper, and also some cloves. So I'm going to add these to my blender. If you have a powerful blender, you'll be able to blend all these nicely. So I'm going to blend this, and then you take it from there. So guys, I have my fresh fish here. Okay, this is yellow croaker that I'm using, but you can use any fish of your choice. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put a little bit of my mixture, which is the garlic and the ginger and the pepper here, just to marinate it. Okay, I'll just put it there. Add a bit of salt, and then I'm going to just put it around. So I'm going to marinate this, set this aside. Okay, and I'll cover this and set this aside, and then we use it later on. So guys, we are going to fry our stew. It's very simple. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to put some grains of selim in there because I love the taste of it. All right, so I'm put my onions. I've cut some onions. This is palm oil. Okay, I'm using palm oil because that's what we use for the Fante Fante. It makes it taste much nicer. But if you don't like palm oil, you can just substitute that. Okay, so we fry the onions nicely until it's a bit brown, and then I'll add the other ingredients. Right guys, as you can see, our onion is cooked nicely. When it cooks like that, it means that we releases a lot of lovely sweet taste. So the next bit is to add my mixture of pepper, ginger, and onion. Smells so good. Right, adding a bit of water to it. This is a very simple recipe. So guys, I do have some crabs which I want to add to it, because this is the marinade. I want it to really soak in the marinade, so I'm just adding, this is fresh crabs. So I'll allow it to cook for just about 5 minutes, and I'll add the other ingredients. Right guys, so I'm adding my blended tomatoes. Okay, I added a bit of red onion to the tomatoes for flavor. going to add some cow skin, okay, that it's already cooked. All right. Oh, it smells so good. So allow this to cook through. Just reduce a bit, and then we'll add the fish. So guys, as you can see, our Fante Fante is cooked nicely. Okay, so what I'm going to do is to add some prawns. Okay, this is king prawns, and I've just spiced it. I did it off camera with the same marinade, so I'm going to add that to it. No, prawns, that didn't take a long time to cook, so I'm going to add the fish, a fresh fish as well, and then I'll cover it for 15 minutes. So guys, as you can see, our Fante Fante is nicely cooked. So the last thing I'm adding is some green sweet pepper, because it gives it a lovely taste. So guys, this is our Fante Fante is done, and it smells so good. Just look at that. Look at the fish, did not break, see, and it smells so nice. So you can try this recipe, guys. So this is our Fante Fante. It tastes absolutely delicious. You have to try this recipe. You can have it with anything at all. You can have it with rice, you can have it with yam, you can have it with potatoes, whichever you prefer, but I like having it with banku. Okay, this banku is, let me show you, this banku is made up of corn dough and cassava dough. Okay, it's a staple in Ghana, so we eat it a lot. Okay, so it goes really well with this Fante Fante, but you can have it with rice if you prefer. All right, so guys, this is really delicious. So if you like this recipe, do give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel, and do put on your post notifications so that when I put up a new video, you will be notified. Thanks so much for watching, and may God richly bless you. Bye.